This is Kelly from the VR Scene, and today we will be unboxing a Viewmaster, a virtual reality starter pack. This is slightly different than a normal, what you'd expect from a normal Google Cardboard setup. Let's see. Some kind of a button there. So open it. Let's see. QR code. Looks like the lever on the side over here kind of pushes a little knob thing that'll effectively it's a button press instead of the magnet on the side that a lot of the other cardboard units have. And this is a little more universal of a setup. So they have an adapter that some of the iPhone 5s will require. And then there's the VR piece. This little gizmo, and basically they're using this as an augmented reality tag that once you put your phone, your device in here, the camera on the outside of the phone recognizes this as the tag, and it floats a little image just above it, like a little spaceship or something. As you're viewing it, you can click the lever to select it and go into some different apps and stuff. Being that this is the starter pack, it does not come with the full the full version. At the time of this unboxing, they have three things, I believe. They have space, destinations, and wildlife. Those are an additional purchase besides the kit. But it also says it works with Google Cardboard. It works with both Android and iPhones. Your mileage may vary depending on what device you have. But it kind of sounds like you could also use this for the regular cardboard apps like you would a cardboard viewer. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching.